Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to download Lollipop Live app on your device. So this is a new app that allows you to earn money on it with completing just few tasks on daily tasks by having access to the live stream and completing daily tasks. That way, playing games, you'll be able to earn money on your Lollipop Live app. So this app, if you know, Poppo Live looks similar to Poppo Live, but it's not the same, but they have almost same feature. So the first thing you have to do is to click on the Play Store if you're making use of Android. The next thing is to type in Lollipop. Click on the search icon. So I already have Lollipop app on my device. You can see that is why the option of show of open is showing here. I just have to click on it in order to. So this is on how to install and download Lollipop app on your device. If this video was helpful, do want to like and do not forget to ask every question you need to ask about Lollipop Live app on your device. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.